So this is what we've got. We have a little iNova light. They're about $12 on Amazon these days. Now, I've had this one since about 2007, and it's been all over the world with me. As you can see, it no longer works, and of course there's a simple explanation for that. That's because the batteries are dead. So let's pop this thing open. We'll take the clip off here, and then get a small pry tool, and just run it down the sides, and it pops right open. So here you can see very simple button batteries. Let's get these out. A little trickier than I thought, but here we go. So here's the deal. As you can see, this takes two CR2016 batteries. But you can see here that I don't have any CR2016 batteries. All I have is this Dollar Tree CR2032. So let's pop this thing in and I'll show you what happens. Now it is slightly thicker than the 2016, but we're replacing two, so it should fit just fine. We'll put our clip back on. And there we go. All the modes seem to work just fine. This is a little dim because this is an old battery that I salvaged out of something else. But as you can see, proof of concept, yes, you can replace two CR2016s with a single CR2032. So I hope this helps someone out there if you are in a pickle and you only have a CR2032 on hand like I did today. And if this video was helpful, hit me with some of that thumbs up love, leave me a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.